The enigmatic and awe-inspiring black holes have captured the imagination of scientists and the public alike for decades. These cosmic phenomena, with their intense gravitational pull and ability to distort time and space, have remained elusive and mysterious. However, let us embark on a fictional journey, aided by scientific knowledge and imagination, to explore the secrets that lie within a black hole. Our expedition begins with a highly advanced spacecraft designed to withstand the tremendous gravitational forces and extreme conditions near a black hole. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and protected by state-of-the-art shielding, our vessel is ready for the journey of a lifetime. As we approach the black hole, the curvature of space-time becomes increasingly distorted. The event horizon, the point of no return, looms before us. We are at a crossroads, aware that once we cross this threshold, we will be forever trapped by the gravitational grip of the black hole. With trepidation, we cross the event horizon, where space and time warp in incomprehensible ways. As we venture deeper, the gravitational forces intensify, stretching and compressing our ship. Time becomes distorted, and our perception of reality becomes warped. We catch glimpses of stars and galaxies, their light distorted and twisted by the immense gravitational lensing effect. The spectacle is both mesmerizing and disorienting, as if witnessing an otherworldly kaleidoscope. Inside the black hole, we approach the Singularity, a point of infinite density where our understanding of physics breaks down. The forces here are so immense that even atoms are torn apart, reducing matter to its most fundamental components. But wait! As we near the Singularity, an unexpected phenomenon occurs. A wormhole, a hypothetical tunnel connecting two separate regions of spacetime, materializes before us. It offers a glimmer of hope for escape from the clutches of the black hole's singularity. With a burst of propulsion, we enter the wormhole, transcending the boundaries of space and time. In an instant, we are catapulted into a new region of the universe, light years away from our starting point. Our journey through the black hole has transported us to uncharted territories, a realm where our known laws of physics may no longer apply. As we contemplate our expedition into the black hole, we realize the profound implications it holds for our understanding of the universe. Our experience highlights the sheer power and complexity of these cosmic wonders, challenging our existing knowledge and pushing the boundaries of human exploration. While this fictional account provides a glimpse into the hypothetical journey through a black hole, it is essential to note that our current scientific understanding of black holes is limited. The physics inside a black hole's event horizon remains a topic of intense speculation and ongoing research. So what do you viewers think about the journey inside the black hole? Give your feedback in the comments section. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.